Welcome to Ho'oponopono blessings. There are words that do not belong only to human language. They are born from the silence between heaven and earth. They are sounds that cannot be learned, only remembered. Baruch, Shefa, Hoda'ah is one of these sacred expressions. It carries the vibration of blessing, the flow of divine abundance, and the frequency of gratitude. 3 sacred keys, 3 portals of the same light. In Hebrew, Baruch means blessed, not simply fortunate, but recognized as the bearer of the divine spark. When we say Baruch, we are not asking for a blessing, we are activating it. It is the acknowledgement that the sacred already lives within us, that the presence is alive right now. Shefa means flow. It is divine abundance without end. It is not the money itself, nor the material form. It is the invisible river that nourishes all things. It is the breath that gives birth to opportunities, the energy that becomes provision, the life that unfolds into prosperity. And Hoda'ah means gratitude. Not the gratitude that waits for something to go right, but the gratitude that comes first, that calls forth, that opens the space for miracles to manifest. Hoda'ah is the recognition of perfection before it appears. These 3 words form a sacred triangle. Baruch, I recognize the blessing. Shefa, I allow the flow. Hoda'ah, I celebrate in gratitude. When spoken together, they align the mind, the heart, and the soul. The word blesses, the feeling flows, and the consciousness gives thanks. This is the triad of conscious creation. The vibration of Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah reminds us that abundance is not something to be achieved. It is something to be allowed. The universe is not testing you, it is responding to what you emit. And the sound of these words is a pure emission of light, a code of reconnection with the divine flow. Each time you say Baruch, you awaken the recognition of God within you. Each time you say Shefa, you open the river of infinite provision. And when you say Hoda'ah, you anchor the miracle in the present moment. These words work together like notes of one sacred melody, a frequency that elevates, purifies, and restores harmony to the mind. This is not magic. It is inner alchemy, because every sound you speak shapes the field around you. The word itself is an act of creation, and these 3 are divine acts. Many seek prosperity outside, in circumstances, in people, in opportunities. But Shefa does not come from outside. It flows from within. It springs from the heart that has learned to trust the divine. When you root yourself in Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah, you shift your frequency. You stop begging for miracles and begin to walk as the miracle itself. Because true abundance is not what you receive, it is what you become. These 3 words move as divine breath. Inhale, Baruch, the blessing enters. Hold, Shefa, the flow expands. Exhale, Hoda'ah, gratitude returns. That is the rhythm of life. To bless, to flow, to give thanks. With daily practice, your mind clears, your beliefs dissolve, and scarcity no longer finds a home within you. Where there is Baruch, there is light. Where there is Shefa, there is movement. Where there is Hoda'ah, there is peace. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Feel the air entering through your nose like a divine breath. Feel your body relaxing, your mind growing still. You are safe. You are in the presence of light. Now, Imagine a golden ray descending from above, surrounding you in a field of blessing and love. This is the energy of Baruch. Feel its warmth touching the crown of your head, spreading through your whole body. It is the embrace of the divine whispering. You are blessed. You are worthy. You are light. As you breathe, softly repeat, Baruch, Baruch, Baruch. With each repetition, imagine your life bathed in this blessing. Think of the areas that need light. Your finances, your relationships, your health, your peace. See them all being touched by Baruch. Now gently bring to mind the second word, Shefa. Feel the flow moving within you. A golden river begins to pour from your heart, spiraling down through your body, reaching the earth and expanding outward. This is Shefa, the divine abundance in motion. It requires no effort, no fear, no rush. It comes through recognition. You are part of this river. You are the channel through which life flows. Say with your heart, Shefa, Shefa, Shefa. Feel the current growing stronger. Let it wash away resistance, doubt, and the fear of not having enough. The universe is generous, and now you allow. Finally, bring the third word, Hoda'ah. Take a deep breath. Feel gratitude expanding like a soft sun in your chest. Not a forced gratitude, but one that arises gently, from simply being alive. Say, Hoda'ah, 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 and feel the vibration filling every cell. You don't need to know how the miracle will unfold. Just trust. It is already on its way. As the three vibrations unite, see them dancing inside you. Three circles of light intertwined. One gold, Baruch. One silver, Shefa. One rose, Hoda'ah. They spin together, creating a portal of blessing and harmony around you. Now repeat slowly, with an open heart. Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah, Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah, Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah. Feel the echo of the words beyond sound itself. It is as if the whole universe answers. I hear you. I bless you too. Rest in this silence. Breathe. Receive. The flow is already active. The blessing is already moving. Gratitude has sealed the miracle. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Move your hands, your feet, and open your eyes. You are here, present, whole. The field of Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah now vibrates within you. Whenever you feel fear, scarcity, or doubt, remember these three keys. They are not just words. They are frequencies, always available when you turn inward. Whisper softly, as if relighting a sacred flame. Baruch, blessed is what I am. Shefa, abundant is what flows. Hoda'ah, grateful is what I recognize. This is the prayer of conscious abundance, the alchemy of light in the form of sound. Use it in the morning, before sleep, or whenever you need to return to your center. It will bring you back to the point of peace, where everything begins to blossom again. With every breath, you become a clearer channel of divine energy. For when a human being blesses, God multiplies. And where there is Baruch Shefa Hoda'ah, there is blessing, there is flow, there is gratitude. So be it, and so it is. Thank you. Everything is possible. There is no limit to what the divine can do through you. Faith is the channel that connects the invisible to the visible. Repeat these words with faith and confidence. If this message has touched your heart, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. This way, we continue together, clearing memories and creating realities in harmony with the divine. With infinite love, light, and blessings, I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.